Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile. So there are a few methods on how to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. First, of course, you can use different devices, log into each account on a separate device. This is the easiest way to manage multiple accounts simultaneously. However, if you want to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile, all you have to do first is if you're using your Android, or let's just say your iPhone or App Store, you can just basically go to Google Play Store or App Store and then search Roblox right here. And what you're going to do is you have to simply install this Roblox. Okay, tap install. Once done, you can now tap play. This is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to log in your account here. If you don't have an account, what you're going to do is you need to sign up. Make sure you have a working email address and password. And also, if you are below 13, you need permission from your parents to ask their email address for you to use it. Also, you can go to Google web browser and then search for Roblox download. Here, you can basically download your Roblox, or you can open your Roblox right here, your account. But basically, when it comes to playing, you can also install your Roblox right here and then open or play. And you can also use the application. Okay, so also you can use incognito if you want, and then you can sign in your other Roblox account. When it comes to just logging in multiple accounts, you can do that by going to Google web browser, incognito, and then your application. But when it comes to playing, if your split screen is available, you can just do the split screen right here. Open the Roblox using the application and the Roblox that you have installed from your Google web browser. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.